Today, we will be making some homemade guacamole. But first, I want to show you how to properly cut an avocado. Well, this is the way I do it anyway. So I take it first and I score it all the way around the edge, just like so. And you just let your knife roll around the avocado right through the middle. Boom. Once you do that, it easily comes apart. Take the avocado and gently knife and tap your seed. But that one is already loose, so it's really easy. Just like that, pop your seed off, and then you take your avocado, a spoon, really easy method to getting it out. You go right around the edges, just like that, and it pops right out. Drop it in your bowl. You take your knife, and you just tap your seed, just like that, and you twist it, give it a twist, and it pops out. Take your spoon, and you spoon it right out. And I like to take mine out like that. You can use whatever method you want. Ingredients that you'll need to make the homemade guacamole, what I use usually, gotta have some fresh cilantro, gotta have some lime, avocado. Those are the main dishes. Over here you have, I like to use the Vidalia onion. You can use it, the purple onion, the Vidalia onion, or any onion that you want. I use a fresh Roma tomato. I have a little bit of minced garlic here, simple organic minced garlic, and onion and cilantro. So today we'll be doing homemade, fresh guacamole, one of my favorite dishes. You can also, some people call it a summer dish, but I call it an anytime dish. First, you want to spoon out all of your avocados. Okay, we already pre-cut them. Just spoon them out just like that, and you just continue to scoop them out. It's a very easy process. Twist, twist. Then sometimes you'll get a avocado that the pit don't come all the way out, just like this. All you have to do is take a spoon and go right up under it, and it comes right out. The seasons that we use are garlic powder, sea salt, fresh ground black pepper, and the minced garlic. The next step, to take your lime, open up your squeezer, put the lime in face down. Once you squeeze it, all of that wonderful lime juice comes out on top of the avocado. Now, the importance of this is it helps the avocado to get that acidicness on it, and it just sits and softens up. I like to use at least 4 starting out. Then if it's any more at the end that I need, I'll squeeze them in to give it that proper consistency. Now, the consistency you're looking for is a nice thick consistency. So I like to use 4 halves, which is 2 limes, 2 whole limes. Some people like to use 1. But I happen to love lime. So it's all preference. After squeezing the lime in, the next thing you want to do, you take your cup of Roma diced tomatoes. That's 1 tomato. Pre-cut. Slide it in. Next, 1 cup of onion. I love onions also. Then I take my 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I like garlic also. I love my spices. And then last but not least, I take some chopped cilantro. Once I did that, I always take my black pepper, shake it into, you can always add more at the end to, adjust your recipe. And then I use a dash of this sea salt. And the sea salt's good thing about it is it's chunky. It's like, I don't like using the iodized salt, because it can tend to be a little not too good for you. Then I add a little dash of garlic powder at the end as well. So once I've done all of that, I'm gonna take my potato masher. I like to use it, okay? I could use my KitchenAid, but I like to mix it by hand. Something about mixing it by hand, crushing those avocados and letting the recipe blend together on its own. And you just take your fork, turn it over, mix it in some more until it's all worked in. Now I like to leave mine chunky and just keep mixing it in. So as we continue to mix, how the consistency just starts to break down. Then you take it, smash it a little more. Just kind of like smashing potatoes. Just the main thing is to take them big chunks and make sure they get ran through the potato masher. And it comes out lovely, colorful, just like that. And at the end, I like to sprinkle just a little bit of smoked paprika on top. It gives it a unique flavor. And after sprinkling a little Simply Organic smoked paprika on, I love to use the organic products. To me, they taste better. You don't have to if you don't want to, but it gives it a perfect color. And that's how you make some good homemade guacamole. And if you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment below. And some more recipes that you would love to see, go ahead and let me know. And always, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Till next time.